Hello, today we're going to make Skittle Rainbow. Okay, let's get started. So Mala insists on using cold water, which I told her we're supposed to use hot water. So it's an argument. So we're going to see which one comes out the best. So we have the Skittles. And we have our water. Okay. Don't shake the table.
Different table.
Yeah, Skittles.
Skittles?
It tastes like fruit. Mala never had Skittles before because the only thing she wants to eat is chocolate.
Chocolate?
It's not chocolate. It has like, come on, help me put the Skittles around the circle. So she doesn't, only candy she eats is chocolate and M&M's.
M&M's?
Yeah, she's never had Skittles, but plus she probably can't even bite it. Don't shake the table. Mala loves rainbows. So I've been going on Pinterest trying to find some good activities for her to do with rainbows that we can do at the house. So we don't have to really buy nothing.
That's so beautiful.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, do your mommy.
Okay. 1 second. One at a time. So,
yeah,
Mala wants to make something every day. It never fails. And so, okay, but can you please stop moving the table because you're gonna mess it up.
You see me?
I'm serious because you're gonna mess up the table.
Why you make it hard like that?
I'm making a circle.
Why you make a circle?
Because that's how. Because you go put the water in the middle.
Water middle?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's so crazy because Mala couldn't talk a year, or almost. She was 2 years old. She's 3 now, but she couldn't even talk. We put her in speech therapy, and she can talk so good now.
My dad, no.
You don't tell me. I'm the mama.
I'm mama.
Okay, so now you're gonna pour in your cold water. Hold it. Okay. And I'm gonna pour in my warm water. Well,
it's working.
And we're gonna see which one has the rainbow. Now I already told Molly supposed to use hot water, but she don't believe. She thinks she know more than me. Yeah. But mine's working faster. Oh, okay. Well, it's almost like
my water faster.
It's kind of like the same. We'll see what's gonna come out better.
Mine is working.
Yes, it is. I should have put 2 colors right there. Shoot. I didn't realize I had like solid green like Skittles right there and right there. I didn't realize it. Okay, so Mala was correct.
Mine is working.
Hers is actually working a little better than mine.
Mine going faster.
Okay. I guess it don't matter what color it is.
Mommy.
The videos show that they use warm water, so that's why I just went with that.
My way.
Wow, that's beautiful. You like it?
Yeah. Well, it's true. I beat you.
Okay. I didn't know it was a competition.
My beat you.
Okay, you ain't gotta rub it in. Golly.
Okay, what now?
Okay. So I hope y'all like our project. It's fun to do with the kids, and then you can also eat the Skittles. I'm gonna eat those Skittles. I'm not letting those Skittles go to waste. You wanna taste one?
No.
See, she don't wanna taste it. She don't like trying new things. It's just a mess. It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
What colors do you see?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. What colors? What color is that? Color is that?
That black.
Look, you ain't messed up, Mom. I told you to stop off the table.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's still pretty though. Right? You sad? We can do it over. You don't have to cry about it. Okay? Just don't bump the table, okay? Okay. Well, thanks for watching.